Determine if the vectors 1, 3, minus 1 and 4, minus 3, minus 5 are orthogonal. If not, what is the angle between the vectors to the nearest degree? Well, let's start off by giving these vectors some names. The first one we'll call A, and the second one we'll call B. Now, the easiest way to tell if two vectors are orthogonal is to compute their dot product. So let's put the vectors in component form and dot them. We're going to have the first vector is 1, 3, minus 1. We'll dot it against the second vector, which is 4, minus 3, minus 5. So now remember, the dot product is the sum of the pairwise component products. And so we take the first two, we're going to get a 4. If we take the second two together and multiply them, we'll get a negative 9. And if we take the last three and multiply them, we get a positive 5. Now a 4 plus a negative 9 plus a 5 is a 0. Since the dot product is 0, that means that the vector A and the vector B are orthogonal. And so there's our answer.